Hello, Chris Johnson doing my assignment 2. Here is my null HLM where we did math achievement. As we can see, we got the coefficient of 12.63 with the p-value of 0.001, showing that this was significant. We can move on to model 1, to where we added 3 predictors to a level 1 and 1 predictor to a level 2, in which we found that the intercept of 2 was the 14 point, wrong chart. With the robust standard errors, we had 14.14, and then that I don't know what that variable is, to be honest, but it's not significant. But the other significant one was the slope for minorities, as well as females, which was negative 2.9 below the intercept. Females was negative 2, so it'd be roughly 13 below the intercept. And for SCSS slope was 2 above our intercept, so it'd be roughly at 16 plus, all at significance. So here we find that those who are male, white, are more likely to come from a higher socioeconomic status, since it's above our intercept. And moving on to the next, we have 3 predictors with a slope. And here we find that our intercept is a 14, and that the minorities are negative 3.19 below and a significant, and that when we look at this group within the minority group within our intercept, that we find not significance, but it's only 0.47 above. But when we look back to the females, we get the negative 1.23 at significance below our 14.09 coefficient, and that our SCS is 2.09. So much like we had with the other ones, but when we examined this group within the minority, it did not show significance. And lastly, the custom one that I did, I chose these 3 predictors, and in level 2 I chose these 3 different predictors within different slopes, and found that there was significance when looking at the females in regard to their sector, so that essentially the school or the area that the female goes to has a positive impact compared to the white male average coefficient intercept. Other than that, we did not find any other variables that showed significance, and other than the initial ones.
Cases it looks like.
Thank you. I hope everything was correct or really close to. If you have any comments or concerns, please let me know. Have a good day.
Yeah, that's why when I called her, she was like, "Oh, I just left campus, but I can turn around real quick." So I was out there waiting for her, and then she started like asking me about